Hi everyone, it's Gina. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you stay with me today because I've got something very different. Representatives from Grabie reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing their September edition of their Grabie Scrapbook Club box, and I said yes. I had never heard of Grabie, so I was very interested, and hopefully you are too. So let's take a look at what comes inside the Grabie Scrapbook Club box. It's a very cute box. Oh, nice. Oh, look how pretty. We've got September and a little sticker here. All right, very nicely packaged. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, it's exciting. Let's take a look. This is in plastic. Let me open this. Looks like some bookmarks. Let's see. Ooh. Oh wow, look how pretty. Isn't that nice? Now you could take these and put them in, well, just give them away as presents or use them as bookmarks. You could put them in your journals. It already comes with a design. You could always, add some flourishes and just add to it. So, oh, very pretty. And there's quite a few of them here too. Okay, oh, we have a little sticker. Oh, look, it's a little ruler. Oh, that's adorable. Looks like everything comes individually wrapped, so it's well protected when it arrives. I like that. Isn't that pretty? It's got little, not sure if you can see, but isn't that pretty? It's got little roses. That is just lovely. It's plastic and it looks like it's in centimeters. It goes up to 15 centimeters. It's so cute. Let's see what else we have. This is a paper pad. I love paper. I'm going to save that one. Let's take a look at this. Oh. Hey, take a look. Look at that. Look at all of these stickers. Isn't that nice? Some floral, some berries, different shapes too. Some are just circle punched. Some are in the shape of the flower or plant. And then looks like we have some square ones. Oh, very nice. Isn't that pretty? And look. Isn't that gorgeous? It feels like rice paper. Oh gosh, that is so cute. Oh look, oh I love these. Now this just feels like regular paper. So they're not all rice paper, but there are some that are. Now that'll be fun to play with. All right, let's see. I can see some 3D stickers. Those are really pretty. Oh, nice. Look, a little cutting mat. This is 8 inches. You can always use cutting mats. I love this size too because a lot of things I do are smaller and I don't need a big giant cutting mat to have to keep lugging over or going to use. So it's very convenient, especially when filming videos, to be able to just bring something over and cut on it. Very useful. So I'm super excited about that. Oh my gosh, okay, let me go ahead and do the paper since they're right here. This is so cute. Looks like it's 6 by 6. Oh gosh, I love that. This is just gorgeous in my opinion. I love this. It's right up my alley. Oh my gosh, look. That is just so pretty. Looks like there's 3 sheets of each. I love these papers. Let's see what is in here. So stickers. There. We'll cover this back up again, just to have a little place to maybe lay them. Wow, let's see. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love that. Now these look like stickers for sure. Let's see what kind they are. Oh, cool. Oh man, this goes with the papers perfectly. Look at that. Oh gosh. So useful in journals. Look how small they are. That will definitely come in handy. Very, very nice. So just peel and stick. Okay, that's adorable. I love that. Okay. And flower material sticker bag. Oh, let's take a look. Garden door. Have a good day. Oh, those open. That's cute. Oh, here's some stickers. Oh, wow. They're so delicate. I love these. They're really faded and vintage looking. You can hear my dog because they are just really kind of faded. I love that. And what else do we have? That's interesting. So like train verbiage, it says this card allows holder of a standard class ticket to board the above train from King's Cross, but does not guarantee a seat. Oh, that is so cute. Let's see. Look at that. I love the images. That is just adorable. Wow. And now let's take a look at this one. Travel Collector. Oh, these are great. These have a little gold inlay. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that is just so cute. What is this? Quiet Forest. Let's see. Oh, hey, okay. So these are probably like rub-ons. Isn't that cool? Oh, yep. Transfer stickers. So it gives you instructions. Oh, really nice. These are lovely. I feel like there's something else in here. Oh. Oh, just pieces of fabric. Oh, how about that? I guess you can rub these on the fabric maybe? On the desired surface. So I've never tried to transfer to cloth before. Hopefully that is something that is a thing because I've never tried it. But how fantastic would that be? You could transfer one, cut around it, and what a great little embellishment and different. I love that. Oh, what do we have here? So these are stickers. It looks like a wax seal, like somebody stamped a wax seal on it. That is different. I love different stuff. You know, so many times you just see the same old thing. I'm not seeing anything like this. Oh, wow. These are really big. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I love those. Oh, some more. Some red. Ooh, oh, isn't that sweet? Oh, it's just gorgeous. Really big. So big, dramatic focal points. Oh gosh, look, that's huge. Wow. Great for maybe a journal layout or even a canvas. Retro story. Isn't that neat? So there's like a frame. Oh, so cool. What else? This little bag. That's adorable anyway. Paper. Ooh. Wow. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look. So lots of frames. Isn't that cute? We can get the idea just by looking at that one. What is this? These are cutouts. Let's see. Oh, okay, they're so delicate. That is just adorable. Oh my gosh. Flower love. It is just so very delicate. What a gorgeous addition to a card or journal or anything that you're making. That is so cute. Here we go. Little envelope. I absolutely adore this one. Here. Flower. There's another rose. like a music note except with hearts. Wow, that is so pretty. Couple more. Oops. It is easy for them to get tangled, but just be real careful. Oops, I think it goes this way. Oh my gosh, I love those. They are just so delicate and just gorgeous. Very, very sweet. All right, let's see. I love how everything is presented in this box. All of the bags are just very secure, so I have not seen anything just falling about in the box. And the presentation is just gorgeous. So what do we have here? Ah, so these are just papers. Oh gosh, look at that. Wow. The texture is awesome. This is just beautiful. Great textured paper. They feel handmade. I just love the ones with the petals. Oh, that is just adorable. Garden Life. So we have a little card that's already ready, and it's printed on all over. So there you go. There's a card. If you want to already have something a little bit pre-made, you could stamp a sentiment in there and just maybe add some embellishments. And here's the envelope. So you can stick it in, add a little bit of glue. There you go. What do we have here? All Things Bloom. Okay, so what is this? What a cute thing to add to a journal. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. So you can just rip off one or a couple and add them to, you know, whatever you're working on. That is so cute. Let's see. I think this is the last piece. Wow. Oh my goodness, look. Oh. So you can make your own little stamps. So it's already perforated if you want to cut it or tear it. And the paper has this fabulous texture. I love how that feels. Some more, oops, some more cutouts. We've got butterflies and flower petals of all different sizes and some leaves. Oh wow, different types of leaves. Different colored paper and different textures. Oh look, some little windows or shutters. That's cute. And what do we have here? Is it like a light bulb? It could be like an air balloon. You could make it into all sorts of things. That's cute. Let's see. Oh look. Is that a little door hanger? That's what it reminds me of. Like those things you put on your door, do not disturb. That's cute. And some bottles. Wow. So many possibilities. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So, wow. I was really impressed. Like I said, I'd never heard of Grabie, but I was really excited by the products that I saw. They were different. They weren't the same old products that you see everybody carrying. I will put a link to their website in the description box, and I encourage you to go online. They have a lot of products. All kinds of art supplies, watercolor and a variety of brushes and pens and markers, pads and paper, canvases and palette knives. They have lots of scrapbooking stuff as well. Stickers and washi tape, scrapbook paper, notebooks and journals, and some stamping and a few stencils and some other tools and accessories. So there's just a ton of stuff on there. I thought it was interesting as well. This is their scrapbook club box. They also have an art club box. So that's really cool. So there's different types of subscriptions that you can get that has products geared toward different types of crafts and arts. So definitely something to check out. I do want to mention that I also have a discount code for you. It's 15% off, and the discount code is Artful Addict 15. I'll also include that information in the description box below. I can't wait to make something and use these items. I had a little bit of a play just to get an idea. There are so many supplies, I wasn't sure what direction I wanted to go. So I thought, let's just do something really quick. I just altered a playing card, and I thought it turned out super cute. And I want to do a companion to this one, and I thought we would do that together. Now I'm just going to go through and just complete it. I'll probably speed up the recording just so this video doesn't go on too long, and then I will be back to chat when I'm done. And there we have it. Hugs and kisses. This box came with so much stuff in it. It was really difficult to pin down what kind of quick project I could do. And I'm sure I will be using these pieces in projects coming up. So definitely stay tuned for that. Well, that's it. That was my first experience with the Grabie Scrapbook Club Box. Again, this is the one for September. If you are interested, please see the link in the description box below. And don't forget, for this edition, I have a 15% discount code that you can enter, Artful Addict 15, and that will also be in the description box below. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.